Hello students, today we are going to do question and answer an exercise of the chapter first of class 5th, the day the potato talked. So let's start with the question and answer of this chapter. So what is the question number first? Why did the farmer go to the field? He wanted to dig up the potato and take them to the marketplace. Why did the potato tell the farmer to go away? The farmer had not watered or cared for it. Why didn't the farmer like what the dog had said? The dog had called him a lazy fellow. क्योंकि फार्मर को वो डॉग पे क्यों गुस्सा आया? क्योंकि उसने उसको आलसी बोल दिया था. The dog had called him a lazy fellow. What did the vine want the farmer to do? To hang it back on the tree. What did the rock say to the farmer? To get the vine away from it. Why did the fisherman start running with the farmer? He started running in fear when he heard his basket talk. Why did the fisherman, the weaver, the swimmer run to the village with the farmer? The fisherman heard his basket talk. The weaver heard his cloth talk. The swimmer heard the river talk. They got afraid and started running with the farmer. Why didn't the chief believe the story of the four men? He couldn't believe that potato, dog, wine, rock, basket, cloth, river could ever talk. सरपंच के पास जब गए तो उन्होंने उनकी कहानी पे क्यों नहीं भरोसा करा? क्योंकि उसको पता था कि आलू, डॉग, वाइन, रॉक ये सब बात नहीं कर सकते, मगर उसका जब स्टूल ने बात करा तो सब कुछ बदल गया. So what is the next question? Do you think the chief believed the man after he had heard his stool talk? Explain your answer. So if the chief's stool could talk, why couldn't the other things? So the chief had but to believe what the foreman had said. So यहाँ क्वेश्चन है कि चीफ, तुमको क्यों लगता है कि चीफ ने भरोसा करा स्टूल की बात करने पर? एक्सप्लेन योर आंसर, अपने आंसर को समझाएं. तो यहाँ पे ये लिखा है कि जब चीफ ने ये देखा कि उसका स्टूल बात कर रहा है तो पोटैटो और रॉक और ये सब चीज़ें क्यों नहीं बात कर सकती? जब उसका खुद का स्टूल बात कर रहा है तो ये चीज़ें भी बात कर सकती हैं. हाउ फार द स्टोरी बी डिफरेंट इफ़ द फार्मर हैड केयर्ड फॉर द पोटैटो? सो स्टोरी कैसे डिफरेंट हो जाती? इफ़ फार्मर केयर्ड फॉर द पोटैटो, यदि फार्मर उस पोटैटो की केयर कर देता तो. So if the farmer had cared for the potato, no potato would have said anything. The farmer would have dug up the potato, taken them to the marketplace and got a good price for them. But then we could not have got an interesting story to read. So if farmer took care about his potato, so it was very easy for the farmer to dug up and took the potato to the marketplace and to sell it. Okay, and when he sell it, he gets what? A nice amount of money. So it was a very different story. But if the farmer had taken care of it, we won't be able to hear such an interesting story. अपन यदि स्टोरी, यदि फार्मर ने उस पोटैटो की केयर कर ली होती तो अपन को ये ऐसी स्टोरी के बारे में सुनने को नहीं मिलता. सो अपन यहाँ से करते हैं सेकंड पावर वर्ड पावर. सो राइट ईच वर्ड बिलो ऑन द लाइन टू मैच इट सिनोनिम्स. ठीक है, सिनोनिम्स क्या होते हैं? सिनोनिम्स मतलब वर्ड्स होते हैं जिसका सेम मतलब होता है. सिनोनिम्स मतलब द वर्ड विच हैज़ सेम मीनिंग. सो अ सीट मतलब बैठने की जगह, तो उसका सेम मतलब क्या होगा? स्टूल. सॉलिडिटरी मतलब अकेलापन. सो व्हाट इज द सिनोनिम ऑफ सॉलिडिटरी? अलोन. स्ट्रेंज मतलब क्या होता है? कुछ अलग. तो अलग को अपन क्या बोलते हैं? अनयूजुअल. सो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है अनयूजुअल, तो अपन को ऊपर में से बॉक्स में से चुन के यहाँ पे अपने आंसर लिखने थे. सो क्वेश्चन को क्या बोलेंगे? आस्क्ड. ट्विस्टेड और इंटरवीन्ड का मतलब क्या होता है? उलझा हुआ. जैसे ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ये. सो अपन इसको क्या बोलेंगे? टैंगल्ड. ओके, टैंगल्ड कहाँ लिखा है? ये लिखा है टैंगल्ड. सो नेक्स्ट क्या है? राइट ईच वर्ड बिलो ऑन द लाइन टू मैच इट्स मीनिंग. सो A rabbit like animal is called hare. So what is hare? A rabbit like animal. ये फर्स्ट का आंसर. ओके, बॉक्स से अपन को अपना आंसर चूज करना है. सो सेकेंड, रूट दैट इज ईटन. रूट दैट इज ईटन इज पोटैटो. ऑब्जेक्ट बाउंड टुगेदर. सो व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज बाउंड टुगेदर इट इज कॉल्ड अ बंडल. सो आपने देखा है, व्हेन यू bundle around your pencil, when you gather so many pencil in your hand, you will call it a bundle of pencil, a bundle of newspaper, a bundle of books. Okay, so next thing is made the meaning clear. So if something is made clear, it is called explained. What is called? It is called explained. The next thing is the climbing plant with a long stem. So a climbing plant which has long stem is called vine. Okay, next thing is grammar in use. Okay, so here the first thing is rewrite each sentence using had better. So अपन को यहाँ पे हर सेंटेंस को फिर से लिखना है had better लिख के. So the first one is this would be a good idea to ring him at once. सो इसको अपन फिर से लिखेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे? यू हैड बेटर रिंग हिम एट वंस. सेकेंड वाला है आई वॉर्न यू नॉट टू मिस द लास्ट बस. सो आंसर इज यू हैड बेटर नॉट मिस द लास्ट बस. इट वुड बी अ गुड थिंग नॉट टू इन्वाइट हर. यू हैड बेटर नॉट इन्वाइट हर. आई थिंक ही शुड गिव अप स्मोकिंग एट वंस. You had better give up smoking at once. You had better give up smoking at once. Next thing is I advise you to take the medicine regularly. So how we will rewrite this? You had better take the medicine regularly. You had better take this medicine regularly. The last thing is it would be bad for you to leave this place. So you had better not leave this place. You had better not leave this place. So the next thing is rewrite each questions in a more polite form. So you have to do this exercise by your own. The first question is where is the station? So how politely you can say this? Can you please tell me where is the station? Or this another way is can you tell me where the station is please? So you have to do this by looking at the first example by your own and rewrite it in your fair copy. So this is the whole thing. You have to write this question and answer in your fair copy